Hello there, herb enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of oregano powder, a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. So grab your taste buds because we're about to sprinkle some magic onto our dishes. What exactly is oregano powder? Well, it's simply dried oregano leaves that have been ground into a fine aromatic powder. Think of it as an easy-to-use, concentrated form of oregano that adds a burst of flavor to your culinary creations. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of oregano powder. Not only does it deliver a delightful taste, but it's also packed with essential nutrients and health-promoting properties. First off, oregano powder is a treasure trove of antioxidants, which help fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may contribute to overall well-being. But that's not all. Oregano powder is known for its antimicrobial properties, thanks to a compound called carvacrol. It has been traditionally used to support immune health and fight against certain bacteria and fungi. Now let's talk about the exciting part: how to use oregano powder in your culinary adventures. The possibilities are endless. You can sprinkle oregano powder on your pizzas, pasta sauces, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats to give them a burst of Mediterranean goodness. It's also a fantastic addition to soups, stews, and marinades. Pro tip: keep a jar of oregano powder handy in your kitchen pantry. Whenever you feel like adding a punch of flavor, just grab a pinch and sprinkle it into your dishes. Remember, a little goes a long way. And let's not forget about salads. Oregano powder is a fantastic way to elevate your salad dressings. Combine it with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of salt for a zesty, herb-infused dressing. But wait, there's more! You can even make a refreshing oregano-infused water. Simply steep a teaspoon of oregano powder in a glass of water for a couple of hours, strain it, and enjoy a revitalizing herbal drink. There you have it, herb enthusiasts! Oregano powder is not only a flavor booster, but also a health-enhancing addition to your culinary repertoire. So grab yourself a jar, get creative in the kitchen, and let the magic of oregano powder transform your meals. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow foodies, and subscribe to my channel for more herb-filled adventures. Until next time, peace.